Hello friend, welcome to English with English. In this video, I'm going to just start and give you so much easy words but so much important, and most of the people don't know how to use those words in English spoken. When you're gonna to interact somebody, you make a small mistake and the people just get understand you. Your English is not well enough. You have knowledge about English but not well enough. And today I will talk about the article the and the. The word sometime become the but sometime become the. So when it becomes the and when it becomes the, that's the point today I'm going to say in this video. And most of the people are everywhere just speaking the are the, and people get understand you what you are trying to say. So today you will just finish this kind of problem in your spoken and your reading process. Just before diving in my content, I will tell you, please hit the bell icon and subscribe my YouTube channel. So let's first talk about the, where we use the. So whenever the word is starting, before when you're going to put the word, before starting the word, any kind of word when they start from consonant, so you have to just use the. Like you are going to say home, so the home. City, the city. And you are going to say tree, so you will say the tree. You will say animal, so you will not use the. But if you're going to say I'm going on land, so you will say on land. Farm, the farm, it's been a field. Water, so you will say the water. You will have to use the when the word is start from consonant, but when the word is start from vowel, so you have to use the. Okay, the India, the animal, and the apple, the engineers, and you can also the elephants. Whenever the word start from vowel, you have to use the. But whenever the word start from consonant, you have to use the. Hope so this video would be helpful for you and you have got my content in this video, and we meet in next video with new content for your new video. You will hope to understand, and for that as well. Thank you so much. Have a good day and take care of yourselves. Let's meet tomorrow.